K-12 challenge. Today we have this cute little boy Ruhan joining us. So Ruhan has a twin sister as well, and they are just 3 years and 10 months old. There are few of the hobbies of Ruhan. I'll let you all know about it. Ruhan loves to sing. He loves to cook. He loves to play caroms, and he's more into general knowledge. And at this small age, he also helps his mom in his household works, and he loves to sing as well. So Ruhan is also a India Book of Records for his performance in the academics. So these are the awards what he has got as well. So we'll hear more about him. So, Ruhan, can you tell us what's your full name? What's your full
My
name?
name is Ruhan.
Wow, and how old are you?
3 years old.
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
Cook.
You like only cooking?
Sing.
Okay. You like to cook and sing? Wow, that's nice. So, Ruhan, what is that you like to cook?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, I have a video of yours where you did pizza. I'll show that to our audience, okay? So, Ruhan, who helped you? Who taught you to make pizza? You learnt it? Wow, that's nice. So, Ruhan, I have a question for you. What is your favorite color?
Blue color.
Okay. And friends, Ruhan, as I told you, he has a twin sister as well, and they both have a YouTube channel called Wonder World of Ruhi and Ruhan. So I'll be sharing the link of the YouTube channels as well, wherein they have done very cute videos on that. So please like and subscribe for them. So, Ruhan, I have another question for you. Can you name the 7 wonders of the world?
Christ Redeemer. Season
Mhm.
Ista. Master
Okay.
Pishu. Roma Colosseum. Petra. Parliament. Irwal, China.
Wow, that's nice. So, when did you learn this?
Mama.
Mama taught you? Okay, that's nice. Okay, what's your favorite toy? Which toy do you like?
Car.
Cars. You like cars?
Car.
Okay, and what's your favorite fruit?
Favorite food. Mango.
Wow. And can you name the colors of rainbow?
Violet indigo. Blue green. Yellow orange. Red.
Wow, that's nice. So I heard that you also like to color and draw, right? Okay, so I have few paintings of yours. I'll just show that, which you and your sister did.
Yes.
So Ruhan, did you enjoy doing the coloring? Did you enjoy that?
Yes.
Wow, that was really nice. So you did it during the COVID time, during the lockdown. Okay. So I have one more question for you. What is your favorite TV show? Which cartoon do you like?
No.
You don't like TV?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what did you eat for lunch today?
Pohi bhaji. Pohi bhaji.
Okay. Okay. What's your favorite game?
Cricket.
You like cricket?
Cricket. Carom. Carom.
Cricket, caroms and cricket. Okay. So
Carom. Cricket.
okay. So Ruhan, do you fight with your sister?
Pohi.
Do you fight with Ruhi? So who wins the fight? Do you beat her or she beats you?
She.
She
She.
beats you. Okay. So tell me what's your papa's name and your mother's name?
Papa.
What's his name?
Mohit. Rutuja.
Okay. Okay. How old is your mama? 3 years?
20. 29
You
years.
you shouldn't ask them. You should tell on your own. Okay. You shouldn't ask them. Okay. You tell whatever you know. Okay. So how old is your papa?
3 years.
Okay. And how old is your mama?
29 years.
Okay. Papa is 3 and mama is 29. Wow, that's nice. Okay. So I have one more question for you. What is your favorite animal?
Animal. Colorful animal.
What's that? Which animal do you like?
Bobo.
Okay, you like dog?
Bobo.
Okay. And what is your favorite song?
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए
Okay, can you sing that for us?
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए जाते हिंदुस्तान के इसमें किसे तिलक करो वेदर की है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम ये है अपना राष्ट्रगाना राष्ट्रीय पल वालों पे इसमें सारा जीवन काटा पर खींचे कतारों पे पता तो वतन कला है आजादी के नारों पे फूल परी की यादारों पर अंगारों पे टुक बोल रही है कण कण की कुर्बानी राजस्थान की इसमें किसे तिलक करो है धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम यहाँ लगा दी
Wow, that's nice. Very good. So, Ruhan, I have another video of yours wherein you help your mom a lot, at home. So I'll just show that. Okay. Let all the other kids learn what all helps they can do to their parents. Okay. So Ruhan, do you help your mom daily?
Yes.
Do you fold your clothes daily?
Yes.
Wow, that's really nice. So I heard that you're also good in general knowledge. So I'll ask you a few general knowledge questions, okay? Okay, tell me the capital of Tamil Nadu.
Chennai.
Wow. And how about Hyderabad? I'm sorry, how about Himachal Pradesh?
Shimla.
Okay, and how about Telangana?
Telangana. Tira.
Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Wow, that's really nice. So you have also won an record in this contest, right? So I'll just show that to our audience.
Sawa.
And there are few of the other paintings what he has done.
Masta. Masta.
So Ruhan, did you enjoy this interview?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have anything to tell us?
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So, friends, please like and comment for him, and I'll be sharing the YouTube link which they have as well. That's Wonder World of Rui and Ruhan. So, please watch K12 Challenge even tomorrow because his little sister is going to join us tomorrow. And thank you so much, Ruhan, for coming on our channel and spending time with me. Can you hear me?
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching K12 Challenge and you guys have a nice day and keep encouraging the kids at the same time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
Ruhan.
Bye.